Ask me something.
Who you watch today, who you like, what do you think of the festival in general?
Let me know if it's rolling.
It is.
It is rolling. Fuck you, I'm not fucking out, dude. Foreign beggars were the shit.
It's not even rolling yet.
It is.
It is. Fuck you. You don't even know. You didn't see the red light.
Okay, so
Foreign beggars were awesome. Parikrama were great. Fink was out of this world.
You didn't watch Fink.
Of course I did.
No, you didn't.
Of course I fucked off for like 10 minutes to watch Fink before I came to Foreign Beggars.
Okay.
So fuck
I've been
you in the
coming
face.
I've been coming to NH7 for 3 years now.
3 years. 3 years.
I played at the first one. I played at the first one.
This guy used to be with Bhayanak Mob.
And it's been incredible. And I'll keep coming back. Because
How does the Bangalore one compare to the Pune one? Do you like it better?
of course I like it better.
I
You're
really
drinking
find it
influencers.
offensive that you do not ask for Delhi NH7.
I really find it offensive that he speaks out of turn.
Fuck this
But,
guy, dude. Delhi NH7 was brilliant. Pune NH7 was brilliant. I attended
You didn't
all.
go for Pune NH7.
Of course I did, you asshole. Of
Can I
course.
please do a full interview with you?
I'm the guy who came for all 3 NH7s. All 3 NH7s for Delhi, for
He
Pune,
wasn't there in Pune.
and fuck off,
was
dude. I
not
was there in
He
Pune.
wasn't there in
This
Pune. I
guy is
was
way
there.
too drunk to know the details. I was there in
I'm
Delhi, Pune, and fucking Bangalore, and I love the shit.
There
out
we
of
go.
this.
Edited already for saying.
Okay.
Please don't edit it.
No.
Please don't edit.
And try not to say fucking shit, please.
Yeah, there we go. Edited
I
already.
need to
I'm so sorry.
Again,
Ask me a question.
say what you were saying, but cut
I
off.
went to Delhi. I went to Delhi. You're very pretty.
You live in Delhi.
And I was in Bombay for like 2 years, and I love the shit out of Bombay. I went to Delhi, I went to Pune, and I went to Bangalore, and I love this festival. And just to tell you, I did not use a single cuss word. Okay, I'm trying really hard. I'm really drunk. But NH7 is the best thing to happen to India. It is the best thing to happen to India. 60 bands across 3 cities. I'm talking. 60 bands across 3 cities, and those bands are phenomenal. I would have used a beep word, but I didn't. But this festival is awesome. As long as Vijay Nair and whatever the other guys are keep doing this, I'm gonna come for every festival. What's your name?
Anna.
Huh?
Anna.
Anna.
Like
nice
Hazare.
to meet you.
Nice to
No,
meet
no, fuck. Beep off, dude. This festival is the most amazing festival in India. As long as these guys organize it, I'm gonna come for every festival. You guys are awesome. NH7 only much louder. You guys are awesome. You look so sexy. Come on, dude. Come on. Sample the goods. Come on. Come on.
I know you're not going to edit it because one of your Babelfish cheaters will say, oh,
Babblefish. Hey, you're from Babblefish.
we can't spare 7 seconds.
Are you from Babblefish? I love the tourists. Give me a fist bump. Give me a fist bump. You're too busy. Give me a fist bump. Come on.
Okay, seriously though, I want you to compare all 3 cities this year's weekend.
I think the venue, the Bangalore venue is a little smaller than the Delhi venue and the Pune venue. But that just means that we walk a lot of, like a few steps. But it doesn't really matter how big the venue is. It's about the bands that play. And the bands are awesome. You guys have this awesome plethora of bands that come. And this is what keeps NH7 going. And I really hope you put that on the tape. I really think so. Anna, your nose ring is phenomenal.
It's phenomenal.
It is awesome. Nose ring and kajal.
This is one of the wonders of the world.
What's your name, man?
Ankit.
Ankit. Are you from Bombay?
Yeah.
I knew it, dude. From the moment I saw you, you're from Bombay, dude. What's your name?
Gopal.
Huh?